One of the toughest things when you do a DIY application is getting underneath the sidewalk. And here, it's better to give yourself plenty of room to get in there with a shovel, and you just bang the heck out of it. Just keep on going underneath like that until you break through. You come from both ends, but that way you get underneath the sidewalk to run your pipe. Now what we're going to do is we're going to run a 3-inch pipe as a sleeve, and then we'll put the 1.5 inch that's going to be from the Greywater through that 3-inch pipe, and put some caps and drill holes so that it's nice and snug. That way when the homeowner wants to put lighting or anything else out in this area, the sleeve is already there underneath the sidewalk, and they don't have to redig it or try to figure out how to get that wire or other pipes through there. It could already, if they want to put a fountain out here in the front, so everything will already be dug for them. So, little tip.
Click on the description below to find out where to buy the products. We also have links to instructions to how to build a Greywater system. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. We would also love to hear your questions, and also share how you prevent climate change. Put those in the comment section as well.